Hey everyone, I know it's like really dark in here, but this is more of an audio. This is Piggy in bed. Those are my feet hanging off the edge of the bed.
You need me to move the light?
No, it's okay. So, what we have observed is that Piggy sleeps and snores even harder when he's in our bed than he usually does. It's like he does hard sleeping, hey?
Yeah, he's a deep sleeper now.
Phew. So, let me just zoom out a little bit. Oh, sorry, Piggy, I apologize. So there you can see Henry is. You can see how much space Piggy is taking up, and there's me at an angle coming out this way. So it really is a pig's life, isn't it? Gosh, he's loud. He's so loud. And then one strange thing that we've noticed is I don't sleep very well, and I wake up every morning at 4 AM. And apparently Piggy's on the same schedule as me, because the last 2 nights at 4 AM he has sat up and started licking the air. And then Henry and I both just like cuddle him and stroke him until he goes back to sleep. Hey? So I don't know why Piggy and I have this schedule, but I'm starting to wonder if Piggy was waking up at 4 AM and the sudden silence in our house was waking me up at 4 AM. That's what I'm hypothesizing at this point. But this little crossed legs, he's so comfy. He loves sleeping on the bed, but we were just talking about it. I brought Piggy in this evening, and he really plays quite useless. Hey, trying to get into the bed.
Oh yeah, it's part of the...
He's like, I can't do it. I have to be lifted. So from now on, I think Henry will be bringing Piggy to bed because he did not help me at all. He didn't even like lift a paw in assistance.
And then as soon as he's on the bed, he just flops down and goes to sleep.
Yeah, I mean he is asleep and snoring before his head even hits the bed. I mean, it's crazy. He just loves it. He loves being in this bed. See? Nothing's gonna wake Pig up. Last night what we actually had to do is he was kind of lying like this, and we had to spin his body around, hey?
Yeah.
So that he was lying this way along the bed so that we could have some space. Yes, you, Chunkles. We're talking about you. Your freckles look amazing with these spotlights.
I think he wants us to turn the lights off.
Yeah, I think he's like, you guys, enough. Alright, we'll leave you guys to it. I hope this made you laugh and you have a little glimpse at Piggy's new sleeping situation, which he's totally on board with. I mean, look at all this wasted space in our bed. No, Henry had one suggestion. He was like, isn't there something you can get for babies? So we looked at those little add-on baby cots that go on the side of the bed, but I think one of us will end up sleeping in it, not Piggy.
Yeah, he probably won't go in
He'd be like, nope, not for me. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below. If you're new around here, please hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.